start with you. What's your name?
Zier Summerfield.
Oh, yeah? You look familiar. What's your name?
My name is Ishan.
What's your name?
Elijah.
What's your name, bro?
Tremaine.
What got you into football?
I would watch people just run around and play, and it seemed interesting to me. And I would hear my family, my family, they would play around me a lot, and I just started watching and getting into football.
Okay, that's what's up. What got you into football?
So what got me in football is that, so my family was talking about how we should play sports and all that stuff. So I wanted to play football, and that's how it got me into football.
What got you into football?
Got me in football is how I just watched TV, and I got bored just watching TV, and so I went outside, and my dad asked me if I want to play football, and I said yeah.
Okay, that's what's up. That's what's up. What got you into football, man?
What got me into football was my mom asked if I wanted to play any sports, and I had seen because my cousins played football, so I asked if I could play football, and then I started playing it.
All right, that's what's up. What's your positions? What y'all like to play?
I like to play middle linebacker and slot.
Okay, you're Mike linebacker. All right, what about you, bro?
Quarterback.
Quarterback? What about you, bro?
My favorite position is wide receiver.
Okay. What about you, too?
Everything.
What's up, Chris?
Lineman, too?
Yep. He lineman too.
Oh, okay.
Get up, Say.
I'm Zed. What's your name, bro? Michael? What's your name, bro?
Jordan.
Jordan? Let me hang it. What's your name, bro?
Kamani Harris.
Okay, Amadi Harris, Jordan.
Come on.
And Michael. Michael, what got you into football?
Man, my dad, man, he been teaching me, and I was just trying to stay focused and, keep the grind up. And now he just motivated me to play football. I tried it for the first time, and, I won a championship, and I was good for that. Then I just never stopped.
That's what's up. What got you into football, man?
My dad, and I kept playing.
That's what's up. What got you in there?
My mom's.
That's what's up. What's your position?
Well, I'm an athlete. I play all positions except one.
That's what's up. What's your position, bro?
Receiver, safety, corner, and that's it. Running back.
What's your position, bro?
Middle linebacker, running back. I can play a little bit.
You just doing everything out there? Just give you the ball? That's what's up. Who y'all number one player in the NFL right now?
CeeDee Lamb.
Let's get this kid out of here. Who's yours?
Devontae Adams.
Okay.
Hold on. I want to say McCaffrey.
McCaffrey? Okay. That's something different. That's what's up. So what's your goals? Like, how far y'all want to take this?
All the way.
Oh yeah.
What's all the way?
NFL.
Y'all try to make it to the NFL?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all gonna do the right things though, right?
Yeah.
Y'all keeping yourself out of trouble?
Yes, sir. Yep.
Yo, hold on, y'all went a little low on me. Y'all staying out of trouble? Y'all staying focused?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
All right, man. Y'all stay in school, man. Hey, I'm gonna tell y'all the number one thing: don't chase tail.
Yeah.
Stay focused. Stay away from the BS. All right, man. When y'all make it to the league, don't forget about me. What's going on, big man? How you doing, bro? What's up, big man? What's your name? Ty? Say it again? Tyrese? What's your name, bro?
Elijah.
Tremaine.
What's up, man? What got you into football, bro?
My dad.
Your dad? That's what's up, bro. Outside grinding with you?
He passed away 7 years ago, but he just got me into it, and when he passed away,
you say?
I was there. So I started building up anger and fixing my anxiety to start playing football. So football helps me take my anger out.
That's good, man. Stay focused, bro, and keep looking for positive ways to, express your way, because that when you have that type of emotion and that anger build up, you could go either left or you can go right. So just stay focused, bro. Stay in school, stay home, stay around good people that's gonna build you up and not tear you down. All right?
Yes, sir. I feel you.
What got you in football, man?
My grandpa.
Your grandpa? That's
I've been playing football since I was 3 years old.
Oh yeah, you love the game?
Yep.
Okay, that's what's up. What got you in the football, man?
My family.
Your family?
Like my mom and my cousins.
That's what's up, bro. Who's your number one player in the NFL right now?
Patrick Mahomes.
Patrick Mahomes? Who's yours?
Jalen Ramsey.
Jalen Ramsey? Who's yours, big man?
I'm not gonna say like the current NFL player, but my inspiration is Ray Lewis.
That's what's up, man. That's what's up. That's what's up. That's a good one, bro. How far y'all want to take football, and what do you see like how far you say going?
I want to make it to the Hall of Fame.
Oh, you trying to go Hall of Famer? Okay. What about you, big man?
I'm trying to make it to the NFL and get my family out the hood.
That's what's up, man. That's what's up. What about you, big man?
Trying to make it to college first, and if I get a good scholarship, I probably would try to go to the combine and get in the NFL.
That's what's up, man. That's what's up.
To pay for my mom.
What's some of the things that you feel like you guys should avoid so that y'all can accomplish those goals?
Getting bad grades.
That's a start. What about you, big man?
Fighting in school.
Okay. What about you, big man? What you feel like some of the things like, all right, if I want to get into college, what's some of the things you feel like you should avoid?
Problems.
Problems? Okay. So let me say this. So we said no to drugs, right? No to gangs, right?
Yeah.
No gangs. You can't do that if you want to get to the league in the Hall of Fame, right?
Yeah. So
y'all got to stay focused. You got to have some discipline. Sometimes you got to say no to the parties. You can't go to every party, man. You gotta make sure your circle is strong. I'm with the same people all the time. They should want for you what you want, right?
Yeah.
I can't be kicking it with somebody that don't mind if I'm doing drugs and carrying a gun. You gotta cut snakes off.
Yeah.
So if I'm sitting here talking down on you every day and I'm watching you crash out, you gotta go. You know what I'm saying? Don't be around somebody that's, oh man, you got anxiety, you weak. Hey bro, look, it's real, bro. I gotta focus on. Don't be afraid to be by yourself, and that's what it's gonna take. So you want to get to the Hall of Fame while everybody else partying and doing everything else, you got to be out grinding. Partying and partying all of that, bro. It's gonna be there. You want to make it. You want to make it out the hood. You want to help your family out there? Hey, bro, I can't go tonight. I gotta go get focused. So that started with grades, being respectful to your parents,
working hard,
respect yourself, and stay focused. All right. So no to drugs, no to games, right?
Yeah.
And keep yourself disciplined. Discipline will take you forever. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Just think about it. All the conditioning that go with football, right? How hard you gotta work. It's not easy doing football. You gotta be out here in the sun with a helmet on, running, pads, all of that, right? And then you gotta go hit somebody else the same size as you. All right? But that's gonna build character. There's gonna be days where you don't want to go to work, but you're gonna have to get up and grind.
Okay.
So have discipline. Discipline. Don't get lazy on yourself. All right? Y'all have a good one, man.
That's just cool.
Yeah, please.
So when I make it to the NFL, I would like to buy my mom a car, a house, pay for her rent, and groceries, because I just want to make sure my mom's okay.
Yep.
Make sure nothing bad happens to her and take care of her.
And let that be your motivation, all right? You're doing good, man. Hey, before you leave, let me get. You got a phone?
Yeah.
Get my number.
It's not on me though.
It's okay.
I'll just take it.
Who did you look up to playing football?
My brother.
Okay, was he any good?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
I ran him over like 2 or 3 times.
So,
Hey, what's your name, man?
my name is Kyrell Marshawn Amari Merrill.
Hey, you started still. What's your name?
My name is Kyrell Marshawn Amari Merrill.
Okay, what position you play?
I play linebacker, fullback, quarterback, and kicker.
Okay, what school you go to?
I went to Edison Bethune. Now I'm going to Computech.
Okay, and
Hey, get out the.
hey, yo, we're recording. Come out the way. Just go over there, sit by JJ. I'm sorry about that. What school you gonna go to?
Edison Computech.
Okay, who did you look up to playing football?
Who I looked up to was my big brother,
Okay, who your big brother?
Gabriel Emerson.
Yeah, I ran him over too. Hey, hey man, hey, you gotta keep thinking this way.
your dad?
Okay, and what do you want to do this year? How you feel like you're gonna dominate on the football field?
In a good way. Have a lot of little kids look up to me.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah,
And
that too.
what you feel like you're gonna dominate on this year?
Everything.
Everything on offense or defense?
Everything.
All right,
Getting
so-
ran over. I don't care.
That's what's up, man. Y'all need to have that attitude, man. Keep it all the way, man. Stay positive this year, okay? Appreciate y'all coming on, man. All right? Y'all be good, man. All right?
He lying and I run my brother over.
Nah, I really did, though.
I run you over.
I see some kid run you over today, but we're going to leave that alone. Come on.
Wait. What's his name? What position you played in high school?
I played safety.
Yeah, my brother ran you. Got a lot of picks.
Yeah, I got, at the time, they wasn't throwing the ball how they throw it right now. I only got 3 of them. I played in college.
See? Well, he went college, but he can't even catch that many picks. He only got 3.
I went to Ruby College for 2 years.
What college you went to?
You said what's that?
High school?
Washington Union High School, man. The U.
You should have been the Tigers. Panthers.
Nah, Tigers ain't my style, man. Panthers is better, man.
Oh, God.
Everybody from Edison, everybody at Edison is just Washington Union rejects. Like, we don't, like, Edison weak. They ain't known for that.
Washington Union
Is Edison even known for football?
Listen. Washington Union is the best high school.
But is Daddy?
Thank you.
Dad's signal home is here.
I don't care what nobody says.
You hear what he said? Hey, let's go.
Trash.
All right, this over. We gotta go.
Have a blessed day.
Hey, you too, man. Blessings to y'all. Salam, man. Salam alaikum.
No, my dad's name is Terry.
Oh, okay, Terry.
But they call me Little Terry.
Oh, they call you Little Terry?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what's up.
It's on.
Yeah, it's on. It's on. What's your name?
Kaden where?
Kaden where?
Yep.
All right. What inspired you to play football?
Inspired me to play football is my dad.
To really play football is like for the representation and like how you really get to strategize.
Oh, you like the strategy?
Yeah.
Oh, you a smart kid. How old are you?
9.
Oh, you 9? You talking about strategy?
How you gonna?
Where you learn that? Where you learn that
How you gonna attack your attacks on the other players?
How you gonna attack your opponent? So,
Yeah.
so you're a read and react player. What position you play?
I play running back, quarter. I play kind of like all
All positions?
yeah, all positions, but like no lineman, no quarterback.
You play skill positions. What elementary you go to?
I go to Malik Elementary.
Where?
Malik,
Malik? I don't even know where that is. Where's that?
it's like
Central District?
yeah.
Oh, okay, that's what's up. What elementary you go to?
I forgot, but it's like it's somewhere close.
Oh, you don't know what school you go to?
Oh, school?
Yeah.
Like I go to a school, but like they don't have a football team, so I'll just go practice like at a college, like a college school.
Oh, okay, that's what's up. What position you play?
I play lineman and quarterback.
And lineman and quarterback. All right, who inspired you to start playing football?
My dad.
Your dad? Okay, he's a good football player?
Yeah,
Okay, that's what's up. How old are you?
I'm 9.
Oh, 9. So y'all both 9. Y'all know each other?
Yeah, we just like kind of
Y'all just met today? Man, y'all lock in, man. It's good to make friends, especially in stuff like this, like-minded people. So y'all lock in. And when y'all watch each other grow, y'all push each other, okay? But we about to get up out of here. Appreciate y'all, man, for coming out to the camp. How y'all feel about the camp? Was the camp cool?
Yeah,
It was cool. It was a lot of legends out here. I don't know if y'all know, but it's a lot of legends out here. Some guys to look up to, man, on the football field, for real.
I don't really play like football for schools.
I'll try my hardest,
soccer
though.
for
I'll
my
try my
school,
hardest.
and then I play track for my school. I don't know if I'm gonna play baseball for my school, but like, we're gonna see.
Okay, we out, y'all, man.
I'll try my hardest though.
Alright,
I'll try
Okay.
my hardest.
Try your hardest. Always try your hardest, man. Always try your hardest. Hey, we out. The Breath of
make sure y'all
Evolution
follow me
camp
on
is
Instagram.
over.
Alright.
Shout out to Sir. The Breath of Evolution camp is a wrap. We about to get up out of here. It's 100-degree weather. We about to bounce out. Appreciate all the attendees. Appreciate all the coaches, all the parents, all the cheerleaders, all the football players. We gone, man. We out, man. Give y'all shout outs. Give y'all shout outs.
Can I get a shout out? Can I get a shout out? Let me get a shout out to Coach Willard.
Okay. You got a shout out?
Let me get a shout out to Coach Mike.
Okay, you got a shout out?
Let me get a shout out to all the parents.
Okay, 100. We out.
Hey, wait,
We out, y'all. We out, y'all. It's a wrap.
A shout out to Coach Noah.